Hey there, YouTubers. This is Randy with Randog 1951, and today's special is converting my 1984 Chevy C20 van. Originally it was it had been converted over to a camping van. When I bought it, it only had about, 75,000 miles on it. It now has 86,000 miles on it. And the reason I bought it was to, originally was to just go up into the woods and get my firewood. So, since I've had it for about 10,000 miles, she's had a lot of wood just thrown into her. It's a 3/4 ton, and she's been doing great. So now I'm tearing out the carpet, and I'm going to save a lot of what the folks did, the professionals who converted it in originally, and now I'm going to build it and travel the country. So this is day one of the conversion, so I'll keep you updated. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Be safe.